Bum, 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 bum. La, 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 la. Corsair Case 280X product review for all you to see. Okay, all jokes aside, we have here the Corsair 280X Crystal Series case, RGB edition, to replace its non-existent, end-of-life Carbide 540 Air brethren. First thing you can notice about this case is all the tempered glass and the giraffe that's trapped inside of the glass case of emotion! No, but really, if this giraffe was part of a band, I'd probably call it Cage the Giraffe, and no association to the already existing Cage the Elephant. But really, it's kind of a sad sight to see, which is why we wanted to name him Jeffrey, but that's really a depressing subject, considering Jeffrey doesn't even have a home. But he looks happy, right? Let's talk about real happy things, like the fact that this case has 32 addressable LEDs, including the Corsair IQ approved Pro Node module, right? So you can plug in your LED strips, you can plug in your Corsair LL series fans, which is included in this particular edition, which is nice. A little bit pricier, but I mean, you get what you pay for. Speaking of you get what you pay for, tempered glass. Everyone's tempered glassing all the things, so you have the top panel, you have the front panel, and the side panel. Nothing on the rear panel though, which is nice because you want to be able to hide all your mistakes. Sorry, happy accidents, right? Everyone's going to care more about the kinds of cable management they have at the front of the case in favor of what you see at the rear, and this is the way to go. Nobody likes tempered glass in the rear side of the case, right, Fantex? All right, anyway. So, priced anywhere between $140 to $180, depending on the options that you're going to go with the Corsair 280 Crystal X, Crystal X, Crystal Lake, Cabby Lake, Coffee Lake. There's no correlation, but we're going to pretend, right? So we're featuring this case in our Avatar system slated for review at early 2019. Make sure that you stay tuned for other hardware or sneak peek reviews that we're going to be doing on our YouTube channel. Also, I would really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to our YouTube because I have mouths to feed. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.